3 days into the wilderness. Your GPS is dead, the trail has vanished, and rain pours down. Out here, nature is indifferent. Your survival depends on the tools you bring, not luck or gadgets. In this video, I'll show you the 5 proven essentials that could mean the difference between life and death. Let's go. The single-walled metal container is more than a water bottle. It's your survival lifeline. In the backcountry, every piece of gear must earn its place, and this simple bottle is one of the most versatile tools you can carry. Unlike plastic or insulated bottles, it can be placed directly over a fire to boil and sterilize water. This means you can make any water source safe to drink, even if you're far from civilization or a filter fails. It's your pot, pan and emergency medical basin, able to cook food, melt snow or sterilize dressings. When you need to improvise, this container steps up as a cooking vessel, a way to purify snow into drinking water, or even to clean wounds and bandages in the field. Only single-walled steel or titanium endures the heat, plastic melts, insulation warps. That's why experienced adventurers trust metal, knowing it won't fail when exposed to open flames or high temperatures. Choose a 1-litre size with a wide mouth for easy filling and cleaning. The wide opening also makes it simple to add snow, pour in soup or scrub out residue after a long trip. Stainless steel is durable and affordable. Titanium is lighter for those counting ounces. Both options are tough enough to survive drops, knocks and years of hard use in the wild. Attach a sturdy handle or wire loop for safe handling over flames. This small addition makes it much easier to maneuver your bottle when it's hot and helps prevent burns or spills. This container is your camp kitchen, medical kit and last defense against dehydration. It's a multi-tool in disguise, ready for whatever the wilderness throws at you. In the wild, certainty is rare. This tool delivers it. When conditions change or emergencies strike, you'll be glad you brought it along. Never underestimate the power of a single-walled metal container. It's a simple item, but in the outdoors it could be the difference between comfort and crisis, or even life and death. Fire is life, warmth, protection and morale. Lighters and matches fail when wet or cold, but a ferrocerium rod throws sparks in any condition. One strike produces thousands of sparks at over 3,000 degrees C, igniting even damp tinder. A good ferro rod lasts for thousands of strikes. Reliability you can count on. Choose one at least half an inch thick and 4 inches long from a trusted brand. Practice your technique. Mastery is earned before you need it. Pair it with a striker or your knife spine for best results. It can light stoves, signal for help, or sterilize tools. When all else fails, the ferro rod delivers fire, your oldest survival ally. The full tang fixed blade knife is the most essential tool in the wild. It's the one piece of gear you never want to be without, no matter the environment or the season. When you're far from civilization, this knife becomes your lifeline, ready to tackle whatever nature throws your way. Unlike folders, its strength lets you batten wood, split kindling, and pry without fear of failure. The solid construction means you can rely on it for heavy-duty tasks, from building shelter to processing firewood, even in the harshest conditions. High-carbon steel holds an edge and sharpens easily. 4 to 5 inches is the ideal blade length. This size offers the perfect balance, long enough for tough jobs, yet compact enough for precision work like carving or food prep. A robust sheath keeps it accessible. Seconds count in emergencies. Whether you're moving through dense brush or scrambling over rocks, having your knife at your side means you're always prepared for the unexpected. This knife carves, scrapes, hammers, and signals for help. It's a true multi-tool, able to spark a fire, craft tools, or even reflect sunlight to attract rescuers. It processes wood, prepares food, and can defend against threats. In survival, versatility is everything, and your knife adapts to every challenge, from making tinder to protecting yourself. Keep it sharp, respect its limits, and it will be your most faithful companion. Regular maintenance ensures it's always ready, and treating it with care means it will last for years. Brands like Morakniv Garberg are trusted for a reason. They endure. These knives are built to withstand the rigours of real-world survival, trusted by adventurers and professionals alike. Your knife bridges the gap between raw nature and human ingenuity. It's a symbol of resourcefulness, allowing you to shape your environment and overcome obstacles. In the wild, it's more than a blade. It's your survival symbol. It represents your ability to adapt, endure, and thrive when the odds are stacked against you. Choose wisely. Your life may depend on it. The right knife isn't just a tool, it's your partner in every adventure, ready to help you write your own survival story. Water is your top priority. Without it, survival is measured in days. Even the most experienced adventurers know that dehydration can strike faster than you think, especially in the wild where clean water isn't always guaranteed. Streams and ponds can harbour invisible threats, from bacteria to parasites, but a portable water filter makes almost any source safe to drink. With the right gear, you can confidently hydrate from lakes, rivers, or even puddles. Filters like the Soya Mini or Katadyn Befree remove over 99.9% of bacteria and protozoa, protecting you from waterborne illnesses that can ruin any trip. When boiling isn't possible, a filter lets you drink instantly. No fire, no waiting. This means you can rehydrate on the move, saving precious time and energy. Know your filter's lifespan, clean it regularly, and carry backup purification tablets. Redundancy is key. If your filter fails, tablets or drops can be a lifesaver. It fits in your pocket, attaches to bottles, and can be rigged for camp use. Versatility means you're always prepared, whether you're hiking solo or setting up a group camp. Activated carbon removes tastes and odours. Hollow fibre membranes trap pathogens. Together they deliver water that's not just safe, but also pleasant to drink. Dysentery or giardia can end your journey. Filters help ensure you return home healthy. Clean water keeps your body strong and your mind clear. Each sip restores your body and spirit, fueling your adventure and keeping you moving forward. In your kit, the portable water filter is both shield and sword, a simple tool that stands between you and the dangers of the wild. It turns wild water into life, giving you the freedom to explore further and push your limits wherever your journey takes you. The tarp is the most versatile tool in your kit. It transforms into shelter, water collector, stretcher, or rescue beacon. A 10 by 10 foot nylon tarp with reinforced tie-outs adapts to any terrain or weather. It keeps you dry, preserves heat, and allows airflow. Unlike tents, it won't trap condensation. Angle it to collect rainwater or provide shade in hot climates. Injured? It becomes a stretcher or poncho. Paracord, shoelaces or bark can secure it. Creativity is your ally. It packs small, weighs little, and grants visibility and awareness. Survival is about options. A tarp gives you more than any tent. With a tarp, you're never truly exposed. Audit your kit. If these 5 tools aren't front and center, it's time to rebuild. Survival isn't about gadgets. It's about proven, timeless tools and readiness. The single-walled metal container, ferro rod, fixed blade knife, water filter and tarp, each has earned its place. Prepare with intention, subscribe for more real-world skills, and stay safe. Your future self will thank you. Before you head out on your next adventure, make sure you're part of our survival community. Tap that subscribe button now. Watch it light up on your screen. By subscribing, you'll unlock more expert tips, real-world skills and gear guides, all designed to help you thrive in any environment. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's conquer the wild together.